Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the original, the authentic, the real, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no substitutes or imposters. And today is Pearl Harbor Day. We should remember the people that died, both civilian and military, on that day, and the sacrifices they made in World War II as well, those who did not die. That didn't come out right, but you know what I mean. And we should keep the USS Arizona Memorial and not scrap it like some liberal Democrat wants to do. All right, it is a bear market today, and the market bear is here, and he's happy because it's Burgh unboxing. Yes, Burgh unboxing. Yay, said the bear. All right, here we go, another Burgh unboxing, and this is, I don't know why, I just can't keep that thing on top of my head. All right. Another thing from Edison, New Jersey. And I've done previous Burgh unboxings today, including something that took 5 minutes to open because I tried it the wrong way. All right, here we go. We have here, can it be? No, it's not. All right, we're getting everything but. We're getting all the peripherals for this thing, but not the thing, which means I gotta wait till Monday, which is annoying. I thought for sure it would come today. Now, why would they? This is, you know, with it being holidays, everything's shipping weird. I'm getting all the peripherals for this, not the thing I want. Oh, God. Okay, here we have. I'm just gonna not even try to save this. Going through this circus already with the other one. The Polaroid Cube monkey stand. Or as we say in France, minky. Alright, this is the stand. This is very weird. This is the stand the Polaroid Cube stands on when you want to put it on your desk. So there it is, the monkey cube or the minky cube. Alright, that's it for that one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. And the bear says bye-bye, and I'll be back with another video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.